this video works, you guys keep watching. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. It's so insane, bro. What the hell?
Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get PojavLauncher for iOS and Android. So as you can see, this is the PojavLauncher and I can play Java Minecraft. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, we have all the settings here. It's super cool. So to download it, just go to this website. It's called, I believe, matrixmods.com. Don't quote me on that. So let me just type it in. Actually, you know what? It's on tweakmod.com. So let me just type this in right here. So once you're on the website, guys, go to the search bar and type in Pojav. And then you should see it. Press install. And before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions 100% for free. And this will install the PojavLauncher onto your phone. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so I'm just going to give it a second to load up and we should be good to go. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, so it's loading up right now. And then it's going to take us to the final step, which is where we have to download the 2 apps and follow the instructions, which is 100% for free. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just have to download 2 of these apps. You don't have to do all of them. But for instance, there's a video here. So we got like Mode Casino, Match to Win. This one says download and reach level 11. So that's all I'd have to do. Download the app, open it up, and reach level 11, guys. So that's pretty easy. So be sure to try it out, guys. But if you're interested in getting Pojav for your device, this is how to do it, guys. So yeah, it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, if you're interested, definitely try it out. It actually works. So yeah, peace out, bro. This is super crazy. But yeah, it is fully working. So just make sure that you download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions and watch the video and everything, and then you'll get PojavLauncher on your phone. One thing is, make sure you go on the settings and you keep the background app refresh turned on, very important. And other than that, you should be good to go. But yeah, this is super cool, guys, so it actually works. So make sure you do the verification, you download the 2 apps, and you're going to be all set. So yeah, there you go, guys. tweakmod.com, that's the website. So you gotta try this. So yeah, it's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, that's how I get it for your device. So this is super awesome. So try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is fully working, and I haven't had to jailbreak or anything like that, which is wild. So if you feel like jailbreaking isn't your thing, then be sure to try this out. It's super cool. So yeah, get the word out, guys. Fully working PojavLauncher for your device. Get down and dirty with it. This actually works. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, this is super insane, guys. If you feel the desire to play Java Minecraft, because you can see all the settings here. As you can see, lithium. We got logs here, as you can see. So I can launch it. You can see it does work. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get Pojav for your device. Looks like there's no way to stop it from launching now. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. But definitely subscribe to the channel because this is fully working, guys. Super cool. But I'm going to see you guys in another video. So be sure to subscribe to the channel if Pojav is your thing. This is really awesome. So I'm going to see you in another video, and peace out.